Hi, welcome to our Term 3, Class B, practicing video number 2. Now, today we have some new knowledge to learn, so I want the students and the parents can watch this video carefully together. So first, let's have a look at this. This week's class, we're talking about a new knot. It looks like a quarter knot, crochet knot, but it has a long ponytail. So this knot is called the eighth knot, or the British words quiver knot. So they're talking about the same thing. The knot with a tail, quarter knot with a tail is called the eighth knot, American term, and quiver knot, British term. The quiver knot or eighth knot is counting half beat. So half beat is shorter than the quarter knot. Before quarter knot is counting one beat, now it's half. The eighth note, quiver note, is play half beat. So we are not quite often see the single eighth note form because it's very short note. We more oftenly to see the two eighth note. They combine together, we call it beamed together. So the ponytail, the two ponytail is tied up. It feels like a two quarter notes with a line on the top. So these are two eighth note or two quiver notes form. Because each eighth note or quarter note, each eighth note or quiver note counting half beat. So two eighth notes together equals one beat. Before, when we counting the quarter notes, we say 1 E N A. So 4 words, four sounds. Now we're gonna divide them into two groups. 1 eighth note counting 1 E, and then the other one called N A. So it's 1 E N A, 1 E N A. It feels a little bit faster now because the eighth note, quiver note, is only half beat. So one beat, you're gonna play two notes. Now let's count again. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. Now in the pieces that we're gonna learn today, it has two eighth notes plus one quarter note. So when you play, you're counting 1 E N A, and then the quarter note is still 1 E N A. So the quarter note is longer. All right, one more time. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. Okay, now let's have a look at our books. So first, we'll have a look at our new pieces. Let's turn the book on page 46. Happy birthday. Happy birthday is using the two eighth note form, each one counting 1 E and A. In two eighth notes equals one beat. So in the music, we see these rhythms. Two eighth notes and one quarter. That's what we're talking about. So you're gonna play the quarter notes longer, eighth notes shorter. So first, let's count our beat. I want you to hold your book. Use your finger to point at the note, and we're gonna count together. Okay, let's try. 1 E N A, 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 2 E N A. That's lovely. Let me get a pen that I can point more clearly. Now we're gonna count the second line. Okay, ready, go. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E, N, A. 1 E, N, A. 1 E, N, A. 1 E, N, A. 2 E, N, A. Good job. So I strongly recommend it. We're gonna count when you practice at home. Count first, count the whole piece before you start. So when you're putting the notes into the beat, you can get a constant beat, a very steady. Right, now we're gonna try the right hand first. Now the right hand first bar, we have 3 notes. Can you tell me what are they? Good. C, D, E. C and D are 8th notes, 2 8th notes, and the E is a quarter note. Now the second bar, we can see is exactly the same as the first bar. So we're going to repeat that pattern, 2 bars. Alright, I want you to listen first. Listen how I count. Right hand, get hands ready. Okay, listen first. 1 E N A. 1 E N A. Alright. 1 E N A. 1 E N A. You can try on your own. If you're finished, the bar 3, bar 4, we're gonna learn together. So the note we have in bar 3, C, D, E, F, G. Right, now we're gonna count the beat. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 2 E N A. Now you can try the bar 3 and the bar 4. 5 times, prefer. Okay, if you're done, let's try the whole line together. Counting the beats, please. 1 E N A, 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 2 E N A. Well done. Now the second line is using the middle C position. So what's middle C position? Do you remember? We put our left hand thumb on middle C. So the note on your left hand is C, B, A, G, F. Right, one more time. C, B, A, G, F. Good. Now we'll have a look at the first bar of second line. The notes in the first bar are C, A, G. So we're going to use our number 1, play C, number 3, play A, number 4, play G. C, A, G. Okay, now I'm gonna try the first bar. Left hand's on C position. Okay, number 1 start from C. C, A, G. Now counting the beats. 1 E N A, 1 E N A. You can repeat 5 times. Second bar, we have 3 notes. B, A, G. Finger 2 play B, finger 3 play A, finger 4 play G. B, A, G. Give it a try. B, A, G. Again. B, A, G. Now counting the beats. 1 E N A, 1 E N A. Now we can put 2 bars together. 1 E N A, 1 E N A. these two bars together 5 times. Now the last two bars we learn together. The notes in last two bars are G, A, B, G, C. Finger number B, number 2. Oh, sorry. G, number 4. A, number 3. B, number 2. Go back to 4. G, number 4. And the number 1 play middle C. Good. Now let's count the beats and play together. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 2 E N A. Right. Now you can pause the video anytime you need and practice more. Now we're gonna try the left hand's second line all together. 1 E N A, 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 2 E N A. Alright, so that's our new piece and the new notes, the 8th note, quiver note. Now we also have other 2 pieces that we're gonna practice this week, just reinforce the new positions. First one, middle C warm up. Now I will demonstrate and I want you to sing along first and then counting the beat, then you can practice with me. Okay, we start from middle C warm up on page 44, first bar. Ready? Go. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 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 E N A, 2 E N A. Right hand. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 E N A, 2 E N A, 1 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 E N and A. 2E and A. Alright, so that is the middle C warm up. That's the first time we introduce the left hand middle C position with some new notes B and A. Now we know G and F, but in the middle C position, they are using different fingers. Okay, so when you play it, I want you to sing the note and count the beat. So do both. Alright, now I will play the I'm a Little Teapot. So there are two different versions. My book is the Chinese one, so I will do my I'm a Little Teapot, and then I'll make another video for the English book, Time for Tea. Okay, here we go. I'm a little teapot. Repeat. Another exercises that we did this week is the walking fingers. So we start with 2 fingers, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 3, 1, 3. So this finger exercise is really important, build a foundation for later on learning when we move to the legato walking fingers. Okay, now I will demonstrate how you practice at home. So right hand, we start from finger number 1 and 2, we rotate 4 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The key thing is keep the wrist very still. What you can do at home is you get a $2 coin. $2 coin is quite heavy and it's very steady. You can feel the little bit of weight. Put it on your wrist. Okay, actually, let me see if I have one here. So here we go. Get a coin. We did this class in the class, so the kids are quite familiar with this. Put it on the wrist and rotate 1, 2, 4 times. 3, 4, and then 1, 3. 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 4. 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can do your left hand. Same C positions. Start from the same finger. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4. Don't let the coin drop and check if your wrist is in the same level. When you rotate the fingers, don't let it lifting up. Keep your wrist very still and the 2 fingers are connected. So you can try the finger exercise with the coin at home, and then we have 3 pieces this week. Review the other 2 from last week and the new one. Okay, if you have any questions, welcome to message me or leave a comment, and I'll see you next week. Alright, bye for now.